In this video, we are going to see a very useful feature in Excel which will help us to find the various commands and features which are available in the Excel. Now say suppose we want to use a feature which is print. Now we don't remember in which part of the ribbon it is present. So what we can do, we can right click on any cell, go to the top part, this is search the menus, click on it and type print. So it will start showing us all the options where the print value is coming. So like we can select set print area, print preview, print or print guidelines. Similarly, say we need to find the formula. So we can see options like show formula bar, formula auditing mode, or we can also have insert functions. Like say we want to fix the top row, so we can write top, we can get freeze top row. So in this way we can find from this search menu various options. Like if we want to insert a chart, so insert, it is giving sheet rows as the option. Instead we can type chart, so it will start giving us options for create chart, insert column bar chart, etc. Further we can say type conditional, so it will give us conditional formatting options also. So other than that, say if we want to use flash fill, we are not able to find it, so we can type flash fill and get the option. And say we have in one of the videos we have seen the naming a cell, so we can use define name, so we can type name, so it will give us the option of name manager and define name. So in this way, using this feature of searching by clicking on any cell and going to the part where search the menus is there, helps us to find the various commands or the features which are available in Excel, and we have forgotten exactly in which location they are present. Hope you find this feature of searching the menus useful. Thank you.